1. Manual chalk making machine. Have you ever thought about how much chalk schools, construction sites, and artists go through? This durable little machine is an absolute powerhouse for anyone wanting to jump into manufacturing with zero experience. It lets you produce massive volumes of high-quality chalk in all kinds of vibrant colors and custom shapes right from a home setup or a small garage. The math on this one is pretty wild. It costs around $680, but it pumps out between 4,000 and 8,000 pieces per hour. If you break that down, 6,000 pieces get you about 500 packs. Selling those at just 55 cents a pack brings in $275 an hour. You could literally make your entire investment back in just 2.5 hours of operation. It's an incredibly low-risk, high-return way to start scaling a real product. 2. Fan lock and automatic dispenser. If you've ever tried packaging dry powders like flour, spices, ground coffee, or custom chemical mixes by hand, you know it is a tedious, messy nightmare. That's where this super user-friendly, space-saving automatic dispenser comes in. It completely automates the process, dosing anywhere from 1 gram to 100 grams with a crazy 0.3 gram precision. Because it runs on standard 110-volt power, you can easily plug it into any small kitchen or spare room factory. It retails for just $138 on Amazon, meaning the barrier to entry is practically non-existent. To look at the return on investment, if you make just a single dollar of profit per unit and clear a modest 50 packages a day, the machine pays for itself in less than 3 days. It's a total game changer for small-scale producers who want to look professional without spending a fortune. If you're enjoying this, tap subscribe right now to stay ahead. 3. TRF 3000 Electric Melting Furnace. For the jewelers, recyclers, or hobbyist metalworkers out there, this machine is pure gold, literally. The TRF 3000 is an 18,800-watt electric melting furnace engineered specifically for non-ferrous metals like gold, silver, copper, and aluminum. It cranks the heat all the way up to 2,112 degrees Fahrenheit, 1,150 degrees Celsius, melting down your metal in a quick 30 to 40 minutes. It even comes as a complete kit with 1 kilogram and 3 kilograms graphite crucibles and an ingot mold, so you can start pouring immediately. Safety-wise, it features a digital PID controller to keep temperatures exact and prevent overheating. At a price point of $299.99, it carries a surprisingly fast payback period. If you are processing around 3 kilograms of silver a day and making a conservative 50 cents of profit per gram, the machine completely pays for itself in about a month. 4. Commercial popsicle machines. Who doesn't love a frozen treat on a hot day? Popsicle machines are a brilliant way to automate production for local cafes, food trucks, or aspiring boutique dessert brands. Instead of freezing molds overnight, these systems turn out uniform, high-quality fruit and dairy treats in a fraction of the time. Depending on how big you want to go, daily output ranges anywhere from 200 popsicles to a massive 36,000 treats. For instance, a compact Veva unit with 40 molds can easily churn out 3,000 popsicles daily, while commercial powerhouse systems can hit 6,000 pieces every single hour. Investing in this kind of automation lets you keep up with soaring summer demand, ensures your quality stays perfectly consistent, and dramatically cuts down on manual labor costs, so you can focus on dreaming up wild new flavors. Don't miss out on the next breakthrough. 5. Classic Mug Heat Press. If you are looking for a classic, reliable entry point into the custom merchandise world, the Classic Mug Heat Press is a fantastic bet. Now, compared to some of those ultra-compact, automated gadgets on the market today, this one is admittedly a bit bulkier and requires more manual prep. You'll have to manually align your design and apply heat-resistant film for every single print. But what it lacks in automation, it completely makes up for in versatility and price. It can print beautiful custom designs on mugs of absolutely any shape, size, or material, and it only costs around $100 to get started. Despite the simple, hands-on process, the profit margins are excellent. By buying blank mugs in bulk and selling your finished custom creations, you can realistically clear $200 to $300 a day. It's a solid, budget-friendly tool to get your foot in the e-commerce store. 6. Balloon Gift Expander. Want a fun, eye-catching way to package gifts? With a simple $5 balloon expander, you can stretch large balloons wide enough to stuff toys, gadget boxes, or flowers right inside. Plenty of party shops charge a premium for the service, but it works beautifully as a home business too. Just post your creative, stuffed balloon creations on Instagram, take local orders, and watch a tiny $5 tool turn a massive profit. 7. Car washing drones. In wealthy Arab countries, a futuristic new trend is taking off, using drones to wash cars. It looks incredibly sleek and draws a crowd every time. Beyond cars, innovative cleaning companies are adapting this drone technology to wash windows on high-rise buildings. It makes the entire process faster, significantly more cost-effective, and leaks safer than sending workers up skyscrapers in climbing gear. It's the ultimate high-tech service business. Don't miss out on the next breakthrough. 8. Plastic bottle ribbon cutter. You can literally turn trash into cash with this clever, eco-friendly recycling idea. By using a simple bladed tool, you can slice old plastic bottles into strong, durable plastic strips or ribbons. The concept is incredibly straightforward, but the demand is real. People love buying practical, upcycle products like heavy-duty cordage or woven items because it actively helps cut down on plastic waste while serving a real purpose. 9. Home bakery fruit dehydrator. One creative entrepreneur launched a booming home bakery by making beautiful fruit chips and candied fruits. She takes healthy, dehydrated fruits, decorates them with premium chocolate, and arranges them into gorgeous gift sets. These treats look like gourmet cookies, but offer a unique, healthy twist you can't find in regular stores. To start, all you need is a standard fruit dehydrator, a dependable oven, and an eye for beautiful packaging. 10. Colored flame candles. Colored flame candles are a brilliant, high-margin small business idea. By blending a basic wax candle base with custom molds and safe chemical additives, you can create unique candles that burn in vibrant colors. Some even shift shades while lit. They are completely non-toxic and visually stunning. With production costs sitting at just $1 to $3 and resale prices up to 10 times higher, you can make serious profits through a simple online shop. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video. 11. 3D LED hologram fans. 3D advertising is absolutely exploding in China right now, thanks to LED fans that spin to create stunning visual holograms. They effortlessly grab attention in ways traditional posters just can't match. These high-tech devices cost under $100 and are incredibly easy to program. You can make great money buying them wholesale to sell online, or by offering direct installation and ad programming for local retail shops and event venues. 12. Commercial rotary oven. If you want to scale a bakery or pastry shop, a commercial rotary oven is the ultimate high-capacity solution. Featuring 360 degrees hot air circulation, it ensures perfectly even baking every time. Built from durable stainless steel, a 16-tray unit can bake up to 50 kilograms of bread per hour. Priced around $4,900 on Alibaba, it can fully pay for itself in just 2 months if you sell 200 buns a day at $2 each. 13. Waffle on a stick machine. A waffle on a stick machine is a fantastic crowd pleaser for cafes, food courts, or street vendors looking to offer a unique dessert. It cooks up to 10 waffles per batch in just 3 to 5 minutes and lets you bake various fillings right inside. Running on 1,500 to 3,000 watts for fast, even heating, this compact machine is a magnet for hungry customers looking for a quick, Instagram-worthy treat. 14. Automatic bubble tea sealing machine. If you run a busy bubble tea or juice shop, an automatic cup sealing machine is an absolute lifesaver. It uses a specialized film to create a completely airtight seal in just a few seconds, totally eliminating accidental spills and keeping delivery orders secure. The hands-free operation speeds up service dramatically, keeps the workspace clean, and adds a professional, high-quality touch that customers really appreciate. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video. 15. Wire nail making machine. The Z94-3C nail making machine is a fantastic, heavy-duty entry point into manufacturing. Priced from $2,500, this compact machine transforms metal wire into standard construction nails at a blistering speed of 280 nails per minute. With a daily output that can easily top 100 kilograms, you can supply local construction and furniture businesses. Selling at wholesale prices can bring in $100 plus in daily profit, leading to a super fast payback. 16. Solar Power Bank Rental Station. This eco-friendly kiosk is a brilliant way to offer portable charging in outdoor areas completely cut off from grid electricity. Powered by built-in solar panels, the station keeps a fleet of heavy-duty power banks charged and ready to go. It's absolutely perfect for high-traffic outdoor spots like public parks, beaches, music festivals, and hiking trails. Users simply scan, rent a power bank, charge their devices on the move, and return it when done, creating a seamless stream of passive income. 17. Digital Nail Art Printer. This compact $500 machine is completely disrupting the manicure industry by applying intricate nail designs in under a minute. Customers simply upload their own photos or choose from hundreds of preset styles, which are then printed directly onto the nail with flawless precision. By setting this station up in busy foot traffic hubs like shopping malls, airports, or beauty salons, you can offer a lightning-fast, affordable manicure solution that takes just 10 minutes from start to finish and keeps clients coming back. 18. Social media viral cracked chocolate cups. A clever cafe in Los Angeles completely took over social media with this unique twist on cold drinks. They coat the inside of plastic cups with premium melted chocolate and freeze them solid. When a customer orders an iced coffee or milkshake, the drink is poured right into the chocolate shell. Before drinking, the customer squeezes the cup to crack the frozen chocolate layer, creating delicious, crunchy flakes inside the drink. It's an instant viral marketing machine for any local coffee shop. 19. Upcycled tennis ball decor. You can turn discarded sports equipment into high-end, eco-friendly furniture and home decor. Old tennis balls can be collected cheaply, cleaned thoroughly, and sliced using custom templates. Because of their flexible felt and rubber structure, you can paint them in vibrant colors and easily connect them into modular patterns. They are surprisingly perfect for crafting eye-catching, unique items like contemporary stools, modern lamp bases, textured wall art, or playful desk organizers that appeal to design enthusiasts. 20. Gourmet chocolate-covered cherries. One entrepreneur turned her home kitchen into a premium confectionery boutique by mastering chocolate-covered berries. She sources fresh, plump cherries and strawberries, dips them in gourmet melted chocolate, and decorates them with elegant edible metallic dust or contrasting patterns. Packed in luxury, high-end gift boxes, each set easily commands $20 to $30. These treats are in massive demand for weddings, anniversaries, and corporate gifts, leaving her booked weeks in advance with highly profitable orders.